Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The Reserve Bank of Australia expects to raise interest rates further over the coming months, the Deputy Governor said, noting that the bank can achieve a similar tightening in rates to its global peers through smaller hikes. The EU's financial services chief has urged US politicians to draw up sweeping new rules to govern the crypto industry, warning digital assets could pose a threat to financial stability if left to grow unchecked. European markets are higher as the region feels the impact of the UK's fiscal U-turns and anticipates new EU measures to tackle energy prices. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Facebook stock dove 3.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Austrian HICP will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's construction output at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT. The US housing starts will be released at 1230 GMT. The US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 hours GMT. The UK's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.